Hi there, students. Failsafe. Failsafe. An adjective. Can also be a noun. I think both countable and uncountable. A failsafe. Failsafe devices. Yeah. Okay, so let's see. If a plan is failsafe, my plan is failsafe. It's very unlikely to fail. And that's how we use it. This is a fail-safe investment. Yeah, invest your money. You can't lose in it. Nothing is fail-safe in this life. I think fail-safe, it gives the idea of foolproof. Yeah, but let's see. If something is fail-safe or a fail-safe, this is a mechanism that is designed to limit the damage if there is a failure. Yeah, a failsafe is something that happens to reduce the harm caused when there's a problem with equipment, but it reduces or it stops damage to the environment, to people. Yeah, it's something that will kick in when there is a problem. So, for example, you know this handle that you need to hold with many machines, a lawnmower. You've got to hold the thing. If you let go, then the machine stops, and that's a fail-safe. Or perhaps you go into the supermarket and these trolleys very often have this bar that you need to hold. Yeah, and if you don't hold them, then the brake is on. Yeah, the brake activates automatically. That's the idea of a fail-safe. Yeah, these are fail-safes. Or, for example, a fuse in an electrical system. This is a fail-safe. If the current for some reason goes out, becomes very, very high, then the fuse stops damage occurring to the system. And this is the idea of a fail-safe. You can even have fail-safe procedures that stop you, that are procedures that are designed to stop an accident happening. So if something, a system is fail-safe, this means that it doesn't cause undue damage if it fails, if and when it fails. Yeah, this is something that is designed to shut off for safety if there is an emergency. So notice you can have fail-safe as an adjective or a fail-safe. Yeah, maybe a fail-safe is something that compensates automatically in the event of a failure of some part. Yeah, if you make a device fail-safe, you add some sort of device or some sort of mechanism to it to stop damage if some part of it doesn't work. Let's see. There is this word foolproof, but I always believe in the idea that no system is foolproof because fools are just so ingenious. And this is the same with a failsafe. A failsafe can perhaps work in one situation or another, but it's impossible very often to foresee all of the possible situations. So a failsafe device, it makes a machine or something go into a safe condition if there's a breakdown or some sort of malfunction. Yeah, it's a system or a plan that comes into operation if something goes wrong, and this is designed to reduce damage, to reduce the danger. Yeah, so a fail-safe feature is something to counteract the effect of an anticipated possible failure. But notice as well, they very often people use this phrase, this is fail-safe. It just can't go wrong. It's infallible, but nothing is infallible. Yeah? Yeah, there are always things outside our control. Okay, so fail-safe. Yeah, something that in a design that means that nothing dangerous can happen if a certain thing goes wrong. Okay, so fail-safe. For fail-safe, this is a business word. Yeah, this is talking about safety. Let's see, formality, a fail-safe. I'm probably going to give it a 6 in formality, but I think you could use it anywhere. And I guess the origin, if something fails, then the system is safe. Yeah? Safety in the event of failure, and that's the idea. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Fail safe.